I guess by the time we reached Foehrenwald, I had just about turned 6. And there were a number of kids. It was a very big camp. We lived in a building. I mean, I didn't realize how big it was until I learned about it as an adult, because for me, there was a little, it was one little place. There was one building, and we lived in a room in that building. It was an old school, and the offices for the camp were the bottom floor of that building. And there were other kids, kids my age and younger and some older. And there I actually learned to speak Yiddish because there were kids from everywhere. So the Polish wasn't sufficient. So I did actually learn to speak Yiddish. My parents did not speak Yiddish. They spoke Polish. They were of this sort of assimilated bourgeois. They understood it, they could speak it, they always used Yiddish expressions. And if they had to speak it, they could, but they didn't ever use it at home.